Here is budget planner app Fleur. So let's just give it a try. So double click to install it. Cute and aesthetic budget planner. It's just got some nice ratings. There are a lot of apps like that going up in the charts because mint.com seems it's shutting down. So there are a lot of alternatives people looking for. And this is not one of the top alternatives, but this app has a really nice and cute interface design. Fleur is a cute and simple budget planner and tracker app. This app allows you to easily add daily expenses and income. You can also set a monthly budget, create multiple accounts, and track your debt. Fleur is an all-in-one app that will help you manage your money. Minimal, elegant, and aesthetically pleasing design, easily log expenses and income. Set a monthly budget, view insights and understand spending habits, view transaction history, add repeating transactions, create new categories, iCloud sync. Here you can see cute and aesthetic budget planner, easily track your expenses, select from multiple categories, view all your transactions, track your saving and debt, easily add transactions. Here you can just open it up and then just tap continue. And then there is 80% deal, pay once, no subscription. You can redeem your offer. And then you can easily see how it looks like. You can see your expense. So for example, you just spent like $100 on something, category like on groceries, and then you can just save it. So you can see your balance, then your income, you can just say, all right. So now you have your balance, income, and expenses. And then, the plus of this app is this nice skin, which you can see. And then you can select date range. You can see insights. You can see the transactions, accounts. That's what it is. So there you have it.